Okay, so Casey's playing with the train. Are you going to... Are you... Well, you have to put it on the track. There you go. The Omi will help. See? Omi's helping. There it goes. There it goes.
You're sitting on the track.
Here it comes.
Put it on the track so it goes round and round. Good job. Yeah, it'll go. It'll go. It doesn't need any help.
Wow, Casey, look at that. Two parts. I can see that. It's 2 parts of a train. You put it back on the track and make it go around. When you do that, look, here goes Valen.
Hi, Valen.
There's Valen. Valen will show you. Valen will show you.
Is that engine?
So Opa, you have to put it on down there. Well, talk to Valen.
You're the next one in line to get short change.